Good morning, children. How are you? Fine. I'm Radha, your science teacher from Dr. Bisan English Medium School. Children, we are there in the FA1 revision, isn't it? In this end of this month, we will have the exams. That's why we are going to do the revision part. The last two classes, we have done that revision part, concept map and glossary words. Now we are there in the question time. Is it? In your textbook, they have a questions. Now I want to explain it once again for you. Okay, children, and along with that I will ask the questions also. First I will ask the questions, you have to tell that, you have to recollect your answer, then I will write on the board. Okay, children, please bring your studio, notebook, pencil, eraser, what I am writing on the board, please children practice at your home, don't forget it. Okay, children, lesson number 1, the magic of life. Magic of life. Each and everyone will know is what is happening in our life. 7 life process we have already learned, and what are the things are there in that we have explained for it. Now go for that, page number 32 if you want to see in the studio. Now I will show you and I will explain here. See children, here the match the following they have given, and they have given here match the following, here are the examples, and these are the life process which are happening in our living things. Okay, and here the examples are what happened in that, means what are the things we are doing, means that thing is that process is related, what is the name of that process, we have to check it and we have to keep it here, we have to match it. Okay, first one, Ramu is running, means which life process it is? Ramu is running means he runs, Ramu runs means movement, isn't it? Like that you have to match it the correct life process. First one, what is the first one? Ramu eats an apple when he is hungry. When Ramu feels hungry, he is eating the apples. Is it eating the apples means he is taking what? Very good, food. Means it is a nutrition. Is that life process is? Nutrition, means he will use energy, so he wants to take the food. That food we can call it as a nutrition. He is taking the nutrition. Here where is the nutrition, children? Where is the nutrition? Is it second one? You have to draw a line like this. Okay, children. Next one. A dog hears that bursting of firecrackers and runs away. When you are listening a sound from a train or from a car, then immediately what will you do? You will keep your fingers like this and you will, so much of sound it is coming. In the same way, think that a dog is there and it listens a bursting of firecrackers and immediately it feels very fear and it ran away from that. Means what it is? You are giving stimulus, you are detecting and you are responding for that stimulus. Means that is very good. Sensitivity. What we can call? Sensitivity. Where is the sensitivity? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth one is the sensitivity. Okay, children. Next one, a dog passes urine. If you are taking a drinking content or any solid content, you have some of the wastage will be there in our body, isn't it? Did you understand, children? That wastage should be removed from our body. So that the process we can remove the wastage from our body we can call excretion. In the same way, the dog passes urine. The dog passes urine. So we can tell it as a excretion. What we can tell? Excretion. Okay, the next one, the leaves of a touch-me-not plant. The leaves of a touch-me-not plant close when they are touched. Actually, here when the dog bursts the firecrackers, it will also runs away. That is the sensitivity. When you touch a touch-me-not plant also, when you touch it, what happens? Immediately it curls up. It will curls means it will close its leaves, isn't it? That is also a sensitivity. Very good. You can tell that, you can draw 2 lines. You may think, madam, for that 2 lines, but both are sensitivity. So you have to draw the line. Okay, to the sensitivity. Next one, a turtle lays eggs on a beach. Means legs. Some of the animals they lay eggs and the young ones are comes out from that eggs. Hatched out of the eggs, isn't it? Means young ones is coming out means new one is coming out. Means it is a very good. Reproduction. What we can call? Reproduction means producing the young ones. We can call it is a reproduction. Here the turtle lays eggs on a beach. For what purpose it lays the eggs? From the eggs we will get young ones. After hatching out, we'll get that young ones, isn't it? So you have to draw a line, reproduction. We can draw a line, reproduction. Okay, children. Next one, a butterfly flits from flower to flower. Here, a butterfly flits from one flower to another flower. What happened? Here one flower is there, here one flower is. The butterfly flies and comes onto this flower. Means what happening here? What happening here? From this place to this place, it is coming. What happened here, children? Very good. Movement. What is that? Movement. Here there is one more is there. In the first place, you have to draw a line. Okay. You have to draw a line to the first. Next one. Plants make food with the help of a sunlight, water and air. Actually, plants makes the food by using the sunlight, water and air. We have discussed, isn't it? Here, the plant is what the plant is preparing? Food. It is making food. Means it is taking the food. Means what we can call? It is a nutrition. Very good, children. Nutrition. Nutrition. Second one, you have to draw a line. This is the matching. From this also you will get the bit part. Okay. I may ask like this. The turtle lays eggs on a beach. What is the life process? You have to write there. Reproduction. Okay, children, did you understand? Next one. See the page number 33. No need not to see, children. Now I will ask the questions. I will write the answers after the 10 seconds. You have to tell them. You have to recollect what is the answer. All living things can dash. All living things can dash. I am not completing that question. See the blanks. Some living things have babies and some lays dash and make seeds and some make seeds. Here all living things are dash. That you may fill up, but it is not completed. That is related. One more blank is also some living things have babies. Some living things have babies and some lay eggs. Sorry, I only told the answer. Some lays eggs and some make seeds. Some make seeds. What we can call? Think it, children. What it is? First one. Very good. Reproduce. Reproduce. Now I will fill and read, children. See, all living things can reproduce. All living things can reproduce and some living things have babies and some lay, what is that? Eggs. Some lays eggs and some make seeds. Who will lay eggs? Like fishes, hen, lizard, snakes. They will lay the eggs or not? Turtle also, now only we have discussed. Turtle lays eggs in the beach, isn't it? It means here some animals will lay eggs and some animals directly give birth to their babies and some make seeds. Who will make seeds? Very good. Plants make seeds or not? Means plants will develop very well and they will produce the fruits. Inside the fruits we are having, it is having seeds, isn't it? If you sow the seeds, we will get a new plant, young plant, isn't it? This is it. Now next one. Next one. Animals understand their surroundings using their dash organs. Animals understand their surroundings using their dash organs. Take some animals. Animals knows what is happening in the surroundings before, isn't it? And what is happening there they can understand. With the help of which organ they can understand? If some dust is coming, then immediately what you will do? You will simply close the eyes. Means which organ here? It is telling dust is coming means will simply close organ. If you are getting a bad smell, then immediately what you will do? You will close your nose, isn't it? When it is too hot, then you will move from that place. It means which organs are helpful for us to detect, that is it. Surroundings means what is happening in the surroundings. Think, which organs? Very good. Sensitive or sense organs. Sense organs. How many sense organs are there, children? Sense organs. We are having, very good, 5 sense organs. The help of sense organs. The animal's nose, surroundings. What is happening in the surroundings? Sense organs. How many sense organs are there, children? 5 sense organs are there. What are those? Eyes, nose, mouth, ear, skin. These are 5 sense organs which helps us to know that not only for us but the animals also they can understand their surroundings, what is happening in their surroundings. Okay, children. Next one, see that third one, the two life process through which living things get energy to grow. They can grow, move, excrete and reproduce, or the nutrition, and one more is also there. What is that? In that growth they have given. There are 2 life processes. Those 2 life processes are very important. If these 2 life processes are going on, then we can get the energy. Isn't it? Energy means you can see the growth and you can move and you can excrete and you can reproduce. Can you tell me what is the remaining 2 life process? If you are taking this, you along with this, taking and 2 life processes are very important. Those 2 processes are helpful to happen remaining 5 life process. What is that? Not only 5, 4. You can tell that. Is it the 2 life process through which that living things get energy for the growth, for the movement and excrete and reproduce. In that I am giving an option for you, or that nutrition 1. And second life process, what is that? If you are all taking, but there is no, can you live? What we can call? Respiration. Very good. Respiration. Respiration, children. It is that respiration. Nutrition is important. Along with the nutrition, respiration is also very important, children. Okay, did you understand? Respiration is also very important. Okay. The next one, shark in the ocean eat small fishes. Eat other small fishes. This is the example for the process. It is getting hungry. Shark is getting hungry. So, it is having small other fishes. What we can call, children? If you are feeling hungry, you are taking food. Can you tell me that what is another name for that? For what purpose you are taking the food? What are there in the food? Very good. Nutrients. So, we can call that process is a very good nutrition. 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 N-U-T-R-I-T-I-O-N. Nutrition. Shark in the ocean eats other small animals. This is an example of life process is nutrition. What it is? Nutrition. Okay, children. Did you understand up to here? Now comes to the true or false, and I will ask you, children. There are 5 life process in a living thing. It is a true or false? True or false? False. Very good. Because how many life processes are there in children? In the living things? 7 life process, isn't it? Okay. Plants are dependent on other living things for their food. Plants are depending upon the other living things for their food. It is a true or false? We have learned that plants makes food and by using the sunlight, air and water. Isn't it? But here they have given a statement that plants are depends upon the other living things. They are depending upon the other living things for the food. Now tell me that it is true or false. Very good. It is false. It is false. Plants makes food by using sunlight, air and water. Okay children, do you understand? Next one. Between the age of 8 and 9, Prince's weight is increased, but his height did not. Hence, he did not grow. Here, one boy is there, Prince. His age is from 9. He comes to actually his age is 9, and he has celebrated his birthday. Now it is 9, but here his weight is increased, but height is not increased. Means here there is no growth happened. Here it is telling he did not grow. Is it growth is happened or not? Is increased in the size now. Then means growth happened here. So you can tell it is a what it is. Very good. It is false. Here growth happened. But they are telling that growth is not there. Did not go. He did not grow. They told. Means it is false. It is false. Next. If you accidentally touch a hot vessel, you immediately pull your hand back. You immediately pull your hand back. And this is an example of sensitivity. This is an example of sensitivity. Now tell me it is true or false, children? Think once. Think. You have to think. In the exam also you will get this type of questions only. Okay? Did you understand, children? You have to think. Is it? Now you went immediately. If you have accidentally touch a hot vessel, you immediately pull your hand back. And this is an example of sensitivity. Is it true or false? Very good. It is true only. Means you are what happened here? Yes, it is detected and immediately you are showing the response, means you are taking your hand back. Isn't it? So, next one. See that a rock breaking into many tiny parts is an example of reproduction. Is it? One stone is there. Stone is a living thing or non-living thing? Is a non-living thing. Here they are telling one stone is there and it is breaking into small pieces, and that process we can call reproduction. Is it? Means younger ones are coming from that stone they are telling. But where is the parent rock? Parent rock only broken, isn't it? And again it changes into small pieces. Actually stone is a non-living thing. How can you see that reproduction in that? Means it is a false or true? Very good. It is a false. It is a false. Up to here, did you understand, children? Now consider that. Now one more question I want to ask you. How many life processes are there in a living thing? How many life processes are there, children? 7. What are those? Movement, respiration, sensitivity, growth, reproduction, excretion, nutrition, isn't it? These 7 life processes you can see in a living things. Why do living things need the nutrition? Why? If you don't have a food, will you get the energy? No. To get the energy and to do that all the works, we need the nutrition. And next one, food is a stimulus for many animals. Actually, when you are getting a good smell, your mother is cooking a gulab jamun in the kitchen, immediately you will get a smell. Then you will go to the kitchen or not? You are getting water in your mouth, isn't it? Gulab jamun, mommy is preparing it. If you are having, have it. Okay. Is it means it is that some food is a stimulus for some animals. Mostly ourselves for the social animals, no, immediately, isn't it? And one more thing, you can see a cat. Where is the mouse or rat? It is there, means it will search there and it will catch it. Isn't it? It is a stimulus. Means you can know that definitely everyone can. Means some of the food items. You have a, what is that? Sugar box in a shelf. But who told for the ants there is a sugar box there? Who told? No one told. But they will go silently in a line, and they will have the sugar or not. Means is the food is the stimulus for some of the animals. As it. Next one, why do living things move from one place to another place? Actually, we are moving here and there, isn't it? Here, madam told to give these books to your first class. Then immediately you will stand up and you will go to the first class. Why? Your madam told, that's why you are going to the first class to give the books. Means you have some work here. Isn't it? Means you have some work. That's why you are moving from one place to another place. In the same way, some of the animals will move from one place to another place for shelter, for food or some other. Isn't it? For the extreme weather conditions, also they will move from one place to another place. So okay children, up to here I have revised most of the part which we have discussed in the before classes. Okay children, I hope that you have understand well and you will write well the exams. FA1 revision I have given. You have to write FA1 exams well. I feel I am telling all the best children. You have to take it seriously. Please be prepared for that exam. You will have a bit part model and I will explain in the next class what we have to read. Okay, but you have to read completely. Now only I am telling you have to read complete the studio and once check the companion also. Okay children, did you understand? In that also we have done some activities. You can check that activities also. Once read all that content what I have explained for you. Okay children, I hope that you will write well. I feel I am happy you are attending for the exams and all the best. Okay children, thank you.